Coach,
Hello.
isang ko lang ha, sabi na anyari.
Anyari. Somebody's happy.
Di just know somebody sa atin.
Happy daw.
Congratulations. Ay, nako. Ano? Sa question.
Fight back, coach. Fight back o collapse? Feeling nyo.
Well, it's a good fight back daw ito ngayon. And the back collapse by ginawa ko sa'yo pareho. Ano, we shot ourselves in the foot. We missed 19 free throws sa buong game. We missed 11 in the fourth quarter. So can't really complain kasi you're getting fouled. Yeah, I think we came up with a good game plan. Boys Ateneo struggled for majority of the game. We got fouled. We weren't making our free throws. So mahirap. Yeah, mahirap manalo pag ganun.
Coach, tingin mo ba naging parang competitive yung team? Kasi nag-17 points tapos 5 minutes na.
17 points, 5 minutes.
17 points ang lamang niya tapos 5 minutes. Ano naging problema yung
Diba?
mga tao?
We missed our free throws. I think we missed our free throws and then we allowed them to come back. I think we veered away from our game plan. What we were doing correctly in the first 3 quarters, biglang all of a sudden they get basket after basket. So, yeah.
Ano sabi niyo po sa players na humahabol yung Ateneo? Anong sinasabi mo sa kanila?
Anong sinasabi ko? Anong sinasabi ko after the game?
Pareho.
During the
During yung run.
during the run. Well, we just gave them direction. Reminded them what we were doing correctly sa defense and how we could attack Ateneo sa offense namin. So, yeah, again, we got free throws, we missed free throws. So, I'll just put it at that.
Naging emotional po yung ilan sa mga players niya after the game. Ano pong sinabi niya po sa kanila?
Yeah, it was a hard loss kasi. That's why ganun sila. The good thing about our situation now is even after this bad loss, we are still in a good position to still make it to the finals. So, unlike like last year when we lost to LaSalle, tapos na yung buhay namin. But now, we just got delayed. Hopefully after a week, we make it to the finals.
Coach, si Mike, three of us did. Miss those free throws. Ano nangyari kay Mike?
I think he will be in a better position to answer that question.
Coach,
Huh?
Pinamake sa nung...
I don't know. Walang meaning yun. I can't speak for him.
So, ano pa interview, Coach? Ayaw mag-interview.
I understand.
But you ended your two straight losses. Even before that, you were really playing well. So, what do you think you have to fix going to the playoffs?
A lot of things, but I think ang importante sa amin yan is our preparation mentally. Mahirap kasi yung ganung talo. Diba? You're free throw away from the finals and yet you give it away. So we'll work on that. Refocus and prepare.
Coach, were you surprised when biglang in-announce ni Rolly na re-review yung shot ni Bon, tapos biglang ginawang 3-pointer? Were you guys
Actually, hindi ko mabalaw kailan nakashoot si Bon. So was that really a 3-pointer?
But they first ruled it at 2 tapos ginawang 3-pointer.
So ni-review ba nila? Correct naman. Tama naman 3.
We have to check.
You have to check pa.
Did they really review?
Hindi ko, nakita mo bang re-review nila talaga?
Hindi ko alam kung anong part eh. So hindi ko alam.
Hindi natin yung steal.
Si Joshua lang.
Because of that, naging overtime, coach, the extra point. So, well, are you disappointed that it took them so long to decide on that?
That's part of their strategy. I should learn from that. So.
Coach, can you
Did Mike
say...
say something sa locker room or was just shut down siya? Or sinabi ba
Wala naman siya sinabi. I think he was just frustrated. That's why hindi na kayo na-entertain. So, just try to understand him. You know, sometimes when you're in that situation, baka lalo ko nilang masabi mo.
Coach, can you say na yung bad habits ng team before you left ng Spain, nanumbalik nung nawala kayo?
Actually, galing nga namin kanina. But, hindi lang namin tinapos. Diba? Galing namin kanina. Galing talaga kami kanina. Hindi lang namin tinapos. That's why after, I think the last message I had sa kanila was, you prepare to succeed. Diba? You prepare to succeed. You be ready for success. And actually, you just have to want it. Diba? And get it. Doon kami parang nagkukulang pa eh. Diba? So, I told them, ako gusto ko talaga eh. Ako gusto ko talaga. Okay, after the experience namin last year. So, I want to be in the finals of the AAP. So, I told them, I was just hoping they will share yung kagustuhan ko. So, I think they get the message.
Coach, for the playoffs, virtually it will be a best of 3 against Lasal. Do you think you'll have a harder time?
So something that we wanted to avoid sana because the experience namin last year hindi maganda. Being in a best of 3 against a big school, a perceived finalist. So mahirap pag nandiyan ka sa ganyan sitwasyon. So you are against a lot of things. You're against a lot of things and wala naman kayo magagawa doon. I think today was an example. So we just want to focus on things that we could control, just like yung mga free throws namin.
Back to Mike, yung mga struggles niya, was it because of Ateneo's defense? Or kunwari yung Isilas free throws, was it because of inexperience?
Yeah, give credit to Ateneo's defense then. Yeah, against Mike. But during the free throws, wala naman depensa eh. So it's all in you. So maybe hindi ko alam, hindi lang naman si Mike eh. I think collectively, yeah, we missed a lot of free throws. So hindi lang si Mike. I think it's a whole team.
Tingin niyo, Coach, dahil yung naratel sila sa mahabol yung Ateneo, kaya nag-notice mo?
Yeah, I think that's part of it. I think that's part of it. Maybe, yeah, sinasabi mo nga experience, maybe. But I think right now you don't have really a choice kasi nandiyan ka na eh sa sitwasyon eh. You just have to grab it. You can't really look back and say kung ngayon ko lang ito na-experience. You just have to be ready.
Coach, lesson learned.
Lesson learned. Games are not won in first 3 quarters. You just have to finish the game. Alam na yun lang. They read about it. Now they experience it firsthand. So hopefully the next time we come out successful.
Coach, paano sila i-prepare mentally? Kasi parang mas mahirap yun kasi sa paggawa ng strategy. Wala po na kayong practice.
Yeah, definitely tomorrow wala naman siguro practice. Saturday pa ang game. So, importante sa amin is our recovery. Ang sabi ko sa kanila after today, when you go back to your dorm, sabi ko, just you think long and hard. Do you really want it? Hopefully by tomorrow, bumalik sila sa akin, sabihin, Coach, we want it.
Thanks, Coach.
Thanks, Coach. Thank you.